Hello, everyone! Welcome to Up English 101, the podcast that helps you learn English in a fun and easy way. I'm Jake.
And I'm Sue. Hi, everyone. We're so happy to be here with you today. How are you, Jake?
I'm great, Sue. I feel excited because today's topic is one of my favorite subjects at school and their importance.
Oh, that's a good one. Everyone has a subject they love at school, right? Maybe it's English, maybe math, maybe science, or maybe even art or music.
That's true. In this podcast, we're going to talk about different school subjects, why students like them, and why they are important for our future.
Yes, we'll also share some fun stories from our own school days. And at the end, we'll give you some tips to help you enjoy learning your favorite subject even more.
Before we start, friends, please remember to subscribe to Up English 101. Don't forget to like and share this podcast with your friends who want to learn English too.
Yes, please. Your support helps us make more free lessons for you.
Sue, when you were in school, what was your favorite subject?
That's easy. My favorite subject was English. I loved reading stories and writing short paragraphs.
Oh, nice. Why did you like English so much?
Because English made me feel free. I could express my ideas, write letters, and talk with people from different countries. It was fun to learn new words every week. What about you, Jake?
Well, my favorite subject was science. I loved learning about the world, animals, plants, and how things work. I remember doing a small volcano experiment. It was amazing.
Oh, yes, science experiments are always fun. But Jake, many students say science is difficult. Why do you think it's still important?
Good question. Science helps us understand life. For example, if we know about the human body, we can take care of our health. If we understand nature, we can protect the environment.
That's very true. So even if science feels hard, it helps us in real life.
Exactly. Every subject has its own importance.
Let's talk about why favorite subjects are important. When we like a subject, learning becomes easy.
Yes! When you enjoy something, you pay more attention. For example, if you like art, you can spend hours drawing and never feel tired.
Right. And if you like English, you may read books, watch movies, and talk with friends in English, all while learning.
So, friends, our advice is find your favorite subject and learn deeply about it. It can help you choose your future job.
That's right. Maybe if you like math, you can become an engineer. If you love science, you might be a doctor. If you enjoy English, maybe a teacher or a writer.
Exactly. So your favorite subject is not just about school marks. It's about your dreams and future.
Jake, do you remember a special moment from your favorite subject?
Yes, I do. One day in my science class, we learned about space. My teacher showed us pictures of planets and stars. I felt so excited that I started reading more about space at home.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. Did that make you want to be an astronaut?
Maybe when I was a kid, but it taught me something important. Learning can be fun if you love the subject.
I agree. My English teacher always told me, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how I became more confident in speaking.
So true. Mistakes help us grow. And speaking of growing, dear listeners, if you want to grow your English skills, don't forget, subscribe to Up English 101.
And please like and share this podcast with your classmates.
Sue, some students say, I don't like math, or English is too hard. What can we tell them?
I think it's okay to find some subjects hard. Everyone is different. Maybe math is not your favorite, but you can still try to understand a little every day.
Yes, sometimes we don't like a subject because we don't understand it yet, but when we learn more, we start to enjoy it.
Exactly. And teachers can help make lessons fun. For example, playing games in English class or using songs to learn new words.
That's a great idea. So friends, don't give up. Every subject can become interesting if you find the fun in it. Okay, Sue, now let's talk about a subject that many students find difficult, math.
Oh, yes, math. Some students love it, but others say, no, too many numbers.
True, but math is very useful in real life. We use it every day. When you buy food, cook, or check your money, that's all math.
Yes, I remember my teacher always said, math is everywhere. When we understand numbers, we can solve problems easily.
And math helps us think logically. It trains our brain to find solutions.
Exactly. And there are many jobs where math is important, like being an engineer, banker, or architect.
So, if you're listening and you don't like math, try to see it differently. Play number games, count things around you, and make it fun.
Yes, learning becomes easier when we enjoy it.
Now, let's go back to your favorite subject, Sue, English.
Yay! English is my favorite. It's not only a school subject, it's also a world language.
That's true. English connects people from many countries. If you learn English, you can talk to more friends, watch movies, travel, and get better jobs.
Yes, and English class helps you learn how to listen, speak, read, and write.
For our listeners, remember, don't worry if you make mistakes in English. The key is to practice every day.
Yes, and you can practice with us at Up English 101.
That's right. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
Okay, now let's talk about science. Your favorite, Jake?
Yes, science is about everything. Our body, nature, animals, and even space.
When I was young, I liked science because of experiments. Mixing colors, growing plants, it was exciting.
Exactly. Science makes us curious. It helps us ask questions like, why is the sky blue? Or how do plants grow?
And science helps people invent new things like phones, medicine, and clean energy.
So science is not just a subject. It helps improve our world.
That's why we should respect scientists and teachers who share their knowledge.
Now, let's move to history. Some students think it's boring because it's full of dates.
Yes, but history is actually very interesting. It tells us stories about people, places, and how our world has changed.
Right. History helps us understand our country and culture. It teaches us what mistakes to avoid and what lessons to remember.
I love learning about famous leaders and how they made changes. It inspires me to do better too.
So friends, when you study history, don't just memorize, imagine the stories, feel them.
Next is geography. Do you like maps, Jake?
Yes, I love maps and learning about countries, mountains, and rivers.
Geography helps us understand our planet. We learn where things are and how people live in different places.
It also teaches us to care for Earth, our home. We learn about weather, climate, and nature.
That's right. When we understand our planet, we can protect it.
So geography is not only about maps, it's about life, culture, and the environment.
Now let's talk about two colorful subjects, art and music.
Yes. My favorite time at school was art class. Drawing, painting, using colors, it made me feel calm.
And music. Singing songs in class always made me happy. Music helps us express our feelings.
Yes, art and music make school beautiful. They teach creativity and emotions.
And these subjects are very important for our mental health. They make us relaxed and positive.
True. So if you love painting, dancing, or singing, never stop. You might be an artist, a singer, or a designer one day.
Exactly. Follow your passion and use your talent.
Now let's talk about physical education, or PE.
Oh, yes. PE is not just about sports. It helps our bodies stay strong and healthy.
Right. When we run, jump, or play football, we build teamwork and discipline.
And we also learn how to take care of our body, eat well, rest, and move every day.
So PE teaches us that health is wealth.
Exactly. If you feel tired after study, take a short walk or stretch. It helps your brain too. Another important subject today is technology or computer studies.
Yes, computers are part of our daily life now. Learning to use them helps us study, work, and connect with others.
We can learn how to type, search for information, and even make creative projects.
And don't forget life skills, learning how to manage time, be polite, and solve problems.
These skills are very important in real life. They make us independent and confident.
So even outside the classroom, keep learning.
Now, let's give our listeners some tips to enjoy their school subjects.
Great idea! Tip number 1, stay curious. Ask questions and find answers.
Tip number 2, connect learning to your life. For example, use English when texting or use math when shopping.
Tip number 3, study with friends. Learning together is more fun.
And tip number 4, be positive. Every subject is hard at first, but if you keep trying, you'll get better.
Exactly. Believe in yourself and enjoy learning.
We asked our listeners on social media about their favorite subjects. Let's read some answers.
Oh, nice. The first one is from Lena in Cambodia. She says her favorite subject is English because she wants to travel.
That's great, Lena. Keep practicing, and one day you'll speak English with people all over the world.
Here's another from Ahmed in Egypt. He likes history because he enjoys learning about ancient places.
Amazing! History helps us connect with the past.
And here's Mai from Vietnam. She loves art. She says drawing helps her relax after school.
Beautiful! Thank you, everyone, for your messages.
So, Sue, let's review what we talked about today.
Sure. We talked about many subjects: English, math, science, history, geography, art, music, PE, and technology.
Yes, and we learned that every subject is important. Each one helps us grow in a different way.
That's right. The key message is love learning. Find your favorite subject and enjoy it.
And never stop learning, not only in school, but in life.
Friends, thank you so much for joining us today on Up English 101. We hope you enjoyed this episode, Favorite Subjects at School and Their Importance.
We're so happy to share this time with you. Remember, learning is fun when you make it fun.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our podcast, like, and share this episode with your friends and classmates.
And follow Up English 101 for more lessons, tips, and cheerful learning moments.
Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and stay curious.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye!